Welcome back to another video. Today, another garage makeover. I will say I think garage makeovers are some of my favorite things to do because garages are some of my favorite spaces that are drastically overlooked. So when I originally showed up here, there was just stuff stacked from here to here. The freezer was, I want to say 3 or 4 feet over here, pointed into the room. This cabinet was moved about 14 inches over there. And the homeowner had requested for me to fit both the lawnmower and the snowblower there. She didn't know if it would fit or not, but she wanted to see if that was an option. So I'm here today with an army of lumber. My saws are all getting set up. You can tell plywood over there. We've got a trailer full of lumber over there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna build shelves. So I'm gonna do one here, one from here all the way over to the far wall. And then we're gonna do probably one more right across from side to side full length to store things like water, Gatorade, normal things that people tend to stock up on will be in here. She also would like to eventually park her car in here, so she wants lots of storage to make all this stuff disappear and everything function smoothly. So that is the goal. And then we're gonna do a shoe rack over there. As you can tell, those are a little dainty, but those were full. And there was at least, I wanna say 30 pairs of shoes on the floor in front. So we are gonna sort all that out and get everything cleaned up. Garage makeovers, like I said, when you have a fully functioning garage, it's like nothing else. So we're gonna get to it. This is it, this is the finale tour. This is a stand for a nativity scene slash barbecue slash drink holder. It's going to be a multi-purpose stand. I did reinforce the existing shelves because they're pretty droopy, saggy, so those are all into the studs. And then I did end up putting the ladder right here. We were going to hang it up over top of the door, but it was pretty heavy, so we decided that that might not be a good idea if you needed to get it out. Built these 2 shelves here, which are pretty multi-purpose. The big poobah, as you could tell, the lawnmower and the snowblower fit as anticipated. And I didn't try to get everything super snug. I just wanted everything to look really, really good and be really strong. So can do chin-ups on that, can confirm. Shoe rack, tons and tons of space. As you can tell, it's ironically the perfect size for cases of water. So it is going to be, again, multi-purpose. It is fastened to the wall as well, so it will not fall over. And then I did little things like I put her bag holder here. I took the garage door opener, fastened it to the side, so it's at the same height it always was, just no longer on the wall. And then on this side, 2 more shelves. These shelves on this side are identical to the other ones. I just built 4 identical shelves and then hung them. They're all 48 inches long by 10 inches deep. And then that was a kit from Costco that they bought probably 3 or 4 years ago that they never hung up. So I put that up as well. Super pleased. As you can tell, there's floor space in here. And only a few things left to go through here, which will all end up in the storage. And this will be an empty garage that can be used to park cars in and free up driveway space, which is a never-ending battle for us these days with needing multiple cars per household. So that's it, a little bit of before and after for just garage storage solutions. Odd job, Bob. Let's get to work.